show you this absolutely gnarly damage I took on the lip the other day. But yeah, let's get this thing cleaned up here, shall we?
Don't search for me, 'cause I'm going AWOL in my heart. There's a hole, yeah, and in my head, every demon I can take control. Up to tomorrow, put myself in the loop with my faith in myself, yeah. It's getting hard, and I think I'm
All right, all clean. And yes, I definitely used the brush, but I didn't record me doing it. That way you guys wouldn't hate on me, all right? This is the daily, and I didn't bring any of my car wash stuff because I wasn't expecting to do this today. So yes, I used it. Also, take a look down here. How bad that is. Look what they did with my boy, my beautiful boy. That there was literally a rock, like almost the size of a soccer ball, like about this big around, just right in the middle of the interstate, literally the interstate. And I hit it at 70 miles an hour, and it absolutely obliterated my lip, like gone. No pieces were left standing. And surprisingly, honestly, the rest of the bumper is still completely intact, and none of the wrap, because I even drove over that rock and it came out behind me, and none of the wrap is damaged at all. Those little struts there that hold the lip on right there, those are probably the only reason even any of the lip is still on there. But also they support the bottom of the bumper by holding the lip up to the frame, so they hold the entire bumper in place as well. And I think that's the only reason my bumper didn't get pulled down or broke clips or anything like that. So super thankful for that. But yeah, this is the color, guys. It is called Gloss Chosen Green, and it's by TinyBot. I use TinyBot for everything. And yeah, guys, I'm super happy with this color. Like super duper happy with it. It came out amazing. I am still working on the rear bumper because I have to do a bunch of like patchwork on it first before I can even wrap it, and I wanted to do it off of the car. But overall, guys, insanely happy with how it came out. We'll look from this side since it's still in one piece over here. But yeah, super happy with it. Wonder how much water leaked on the inside just now. Hard to tell, but definitely some water leaked. But not too bad. It's getting better every time I work on it. It gets a little more waterproof every time. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and let's go do some driving real quick.
A few minutes later.
It's so much fun, bro. Oh man. Cool. Let's grab that. Let's lock that. I'll grab that in a minute. All right. Well, we made it. Fun times. These parking spaces are tiny, but because of how small the car is, it still fits in this tiny little spot with plenty of room next to me, just in case someone parks next to me. Like, this spot is pretty tiny for a regular sized car, and it fits perfectly in it. But I know you guys can barely see me, but there we go. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. This was a real short video. I didn't really have much planned for tonight, but I need to keep uploading. I need to be consistent with the uploads, and it's a little update on the wrap and some driving style in the Miata that I haven't filmed yet, so that was fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know, besides finishing the rear bumper, what next mod should I get? I would definitely want to do wheels, but let me know in the comments what I should do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Drink water, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.